Hey everyone, welcome back to English Mastery. I'm Shanto. Today I'm going to teach you how to speak English in a more natural and relaxed way, just like native speakers. You'll learn real phrases that are short, simple, and actually used in daily conversations. This isn't about perfect grammar or big words. It's about sounding real, confident, and smooth. Ready? Let's jump in. So, what does it really mean to speak like a native speaker? It doesn't mean perfect grammar or advanced vocabulary. It means sounding natural. Even native speakers make small mistakes or pause when they speak. What makes their English sound good is the flow, the tone, and the use of real phrases. Let's start with contractions. Instead of I am, say I'm. Instead of she is, say she's. It's faster and sounds more natural. Now, here are some useful short phrases. Sounds good means that works for me. No way means really? I can't believe it. I'm in means I want to join. Hang on means wait a moment. All set means I'm ready. Got it means I understand. Will do means I'll take care of it. I'm out means I'm not joining. My bad means my mistake. Fair enough means that makes sense. No worries means it's okay or no problem.
These phrases are used every day, in shops, at work, with friends, or on the phone. Next is pronunciation. In English, not all words are said equally. We stress the important words and say the others softly. For example, I don't want to go there. Focus on the rhythm, not perfection. Another tip is connected speech. Instead of saying each word clearly, native speakers blend words together. What do you think becomes what do you think? I'm going to go now becomes I'm gonna go now. It sounds faster and smoother. You don't need to speak this way now, but learn to recognize it. Native speakers speak from real life, not from textbooks. Here are more examples. It's up to you means you decide. Catch you later means see you later. That's not my thing means I don't like it. You nailed it means you did it perfectly. The more you hear and use these phrases, the more natural your English will sound. So let's review what you learned today. Use contractions. Speak in short, real phrases. Learn the rhythm and stress of English. Notice connected speech. Use practical, real-life expressions. Examples: at a store. I'm just looking, thanks. At a cafe. Can I get a coffee to go? On the phone. Can I call you back? Great work today. You didn't just listen, you practiced real English. Remember, sounding natural isn't about using big words. It's about using real phrases, real tone, and real confidence. Practice a little every day and you'll see big improvement. This is English Mastery with Shanto. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep mastering your English.